morning students, welcome to today's online class. So today students we will continue with exercise 3.6. Okay, so let us continue with exercise 3.6. So here solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Okay, you have to reduce the given pair of linear equations, you have to reduce, okay, by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Okay, so students, see and LCM is 6. CU 2D implies U plus 3B U 4. This is equation 3. This is 4. Three into 2. 3 into 2, that will become 6u. 3, equation 3 into 2, 6u plus 4v, so 24, 5 into 3, 6u, 9v, 6. So plus 4v and 6u plus 9v. 4 minus 9, 4 minus 9 is minus 5v plus 9 minus 4 5 1. Now the value of v in, putting the value of v in 3. Okay, putting the value of v in 3. So 3u, v is 3, no? 3u, 3u, 6 by 3. Now u is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3. What is u? 1 by x. X is equal to 1 by 2. V means 1 by y. So y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, students. So students, let us see this sum. You have to reduce them first. First, we have to reduce them to the pair. Solve the following pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Okay. So first, we have to reduce them. 1 by 2x, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2, and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. So here, students, we are considering that 1 by x is equal to u. This 2 we are bringing to the left hand side, marking number 1. This 13 by 6 we are bringing to the left hand side, we are marking it 2. Let 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. 1 by x is u and 1 by y is v. Okay. So if 1 by x is u and 1 by y is v, then 1 by 2x will be what, students? Meaning of 1 by x is u. So 1 by 2x, can you write it like this? 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Can you write it like this? 1 by 2x means 1 by 2x means 1 by 2 into 1 by x. 1 into 1 will be 1 and 2 into x will be 2x. So 1 by 2 will stay here. What is the meaning of 1 by x? What is the meaning of 1 by x? U. Put here u. So it will become u by 2, isn't it? So 1 by 2x, in place of 1 by 2x I have to put 1 by u by 2. So therefore you see 1 by 2x is there. This equation 1 we are taking. Okay. 1 by 2x is there. 1 by x means u. So u will be here and below 1 2 is there. Understood? In the same way 1 by 3y, students. In the same way 1 by 3x is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by x. So 1 by 3 is there. 1 by 3y, isn't it? Y. So 1 by 3y means 1 by 3 into 1 by y. And 1 by y means what? 1 by y means v. So 1 by 3 into v. That will be equal to v by 3. Therefore I wrote here 1 by 2x I wrote u by 2. 2 is there. And 1 by 3 I wrote v by 3. And 2 is there, below 2 I wrote 1. 2, 3 and 1 LCM, students. What is the LCM of 2, 3 and 1? 2, 3 and 1 LCM will be what? 6. The LCM of 2 and 3 is how much? 6. So now, and below this 2, 1 is there, isn't it? 2, 3 and 1 LCM I am taking. So LCM will be 6. Now, this 6 if I divide by 2, this 6 is there, students. This 6 if I divide by 2, how many times it will go? 3 times. So 3 into u, 3u. This 6 if I divide by 3, 2 times 2 into v. This 6 if I divide by 1, 6 times 6 into 2, 12. Now this 6 I am cross multiplying. This 6 if I cross multiply, 6 into 0 will be 0, isn't it? So mark number 3. In the same way, students, this equation we are taking this equation. This equation we are taking 1 by 3x is there. 1 by 3x. So 1 by 3x, isn't it? So 1 by 3x, I can write 1 by 3 into 1 by x. I can write or not? So 1 by 3 will be staying here only. 1 by 3 is as it is. And 1 by x means what? 1 by x means u. I am talking about this one, 1 by 3x. Okay. 1 by 3x can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by x. In place of 1 by x, what can I write? U. So it will become u by 3. Understood? Therefore, I wrote here u by 3 in place of 1 by 3x. Understood? Because in place of 1 by x, we are putting what? U. And in place of 1 by y, we are putting v. So it is becoming u by 3 and v by 2. And minus 13 by 6 is already there. So now you see. So 3, 2 and 6, students. 3, 2 and 6 LCM you take. You take the LCM of 3, 2 and 6. 3, 2 and 6 LCM is what? 6. So now this 6 if you divide by 3, if you divide this 6 by 3, okay, if you divide this 6 by 3, how many times will you go? 2 times, so 2 into u, 2u. This 6 if you divide by 2, 3 times, 3 into v, 3v. This 6 if you divide by 6, 1 times, so 1 into 13, 13. We are taking plain LCM we are taking, okay. This 6 I will cross multiply. This 6 if I cross multiply, then 6 into 0 will be 0 only. Then 2u plus 3v minus 13 is equal to 0. Here also I did the same thing. See here, 1 6 was there, no, here. This 6 if I cross multiply, then 6 into 0 will be what? 0. So now students, I saw that what is the coefficient of u? What is the coefficient of u? 3. And what is the coefficient of u here? 2. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? Coefficient of u here is 3. And what is the coefficient of u here? 2. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is how much? 6. So I have to make 6 here in place of 3. In place of 3, if I want to make 6, then what number I have to multiply? I will multiply by 2. So this equation 3 I am multiplying by 2. So if I multiply by 2, then 3 into 2 will be 6. 2 into 2 will be 4 and 12 into 2 will become 24. Here also before u what is there? 2 is there. In place of 2, if I want to make 6, with what number I will multiply? I will multiply by 3. Isn't it? Because 2 and 3 LCM is 6, so I want to make 6 here also. And I want to make 6 here also. Okay. So here also I am making 6 now. This equation 4 I will multiply by 3. So 3 into 2 will become 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 into 13 will become 39. Okay. These two equations I will mark 5 and 6. Now 6u, before 6u plus sign, here also before plus 6u before I am getting plus sign and both are plus sign, isn't it? Here also plus and here also plus. So sign is same. Sign is same, then you have to subtract. So 5 minus 6u. This equation minus this equation. 6u and 6u is cancelled. 4 minus 9 will be what? Minus 5b. Plus 39 minus 24 will become plus 15. You take to the right hand side, it will become minus 15. Minus 5 is multiplied here, isn't it? Minus 5 is multiplied here. If you take it to the other side, it will get divided. Minus cancel. With 5 we cancel 15. How many times? 3 times. This equation of v I will put in equation 3. You can put in 4 also. I am putting in equation 3. Okay, you can put in 4 also. Same answer will come out. So putting the value of v in equation 3. In equation 3, here 2v is there, no? 2v. This one 2v. So in place of this v, I will put the value of v, that is 3. So 3u plus 2v. V means 2 into 3 minus 12. So 2 into 3 is how much, friends? 6. 6 minus 12 will be how much? Minus 6. Minus 6 you take to the right hand side, it will become plus 6. 3 is multiplied here. If I take it to the other side, it will get divided. This 6 you cancel with 3 how many times? 2 times. So u is equal to 2. Now u is equal to 2. What is the value of u? What is the meaning of u? U means what? 1 by x. Isn't it? What does u mean? U mean 1 by x. See, u is equal to 2 is there, no? U is equal to 2 is there. What is the meaning of u? U means 1 by x. In place of u, you put 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 2. Now, just reverse, reciprocal you make both sides. Both sides you reverse. Here 1 by x, if you reverse 1 by x, it will become what? X. Isn't it? So 1 by x I reverse, it became x, and 2 if I reverse 2, it will become 1 by 2. I did not write an equal sign. Okay, 2 and 1 by 2 are not equal. I just said that what is the reciprocal of 2? Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. And what is the reciprocal of 1 by x? X. So both sides are made reciprocal, or I reversed, as you say. Okay, both sides I reversed. So 1 by x is there. If I reverse here, both sides if you reverse, then it will stay equal only. Okay, because you are doing something on both sides. If you do something on both sides of the equation, there is no change in the value of the, or there is no change in the validity of the equation. Okay, so because I made reciprocal on this side, so it became x. Because I made reciprocal on this side, it became 1 by 2. Now again, v is equal to 3. What is the value of v? What does v mean actually? V means 1 by y. So in place of v, you just put 1 by y. Both sides you reverse. So y is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore, last line you can write like this. Therefore, the solution is x equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay? Students, the same sum that I did by reducing, you may do it by without reducing also, because most possibly in the exam it will not be written whether to reduce or not. If simply the equations are given to solve, you may not, without reducing also you can do it. Okay, without reducing also you can do it. Suppose for example number 1 only, the sum that we did now right now, 1 by 2x is there, plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 is there. So minus 2 is equal to 0, mark it 1. And 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y minus 13 by 6 is equal to 0, mark it number 2. The same equation, the same pair of linear equations you can solve without reducing also, because without reducing it will be little easier for you all. Okay, so because most possibly if it is written that you have to reduce and solve like it is mentioned here, if it is mentioned like this, then definitely you have to reduce only, like what I did just now. Reducing means to take in u and v. Fractional 1 by x you take in u and 1 by y you take in v. But if it is not written whether to reduce or not, then you better if you do it directly. Okay, directly also we can do it. Suppose 1 by 2x is there. What I will do is that, students, what I will do is that here I saw that in the denominator what number is there? 2 is there, no? So what I will do is that 1 into 2 I will do. I will multiply the full equation by 2. So if I multiply by 2, then what will happen, students? It will become 1 by x, 2 by 3y, 2 to the 4, mark it number 3. And next 2 I will multiply by 3. So this will become 1 by x plus 3 by 2y, 3 by 2y minus 13 by 2 is equal to 0, mark it number 4. See here all of you. So what I saw is that here, students, I just wanted to cancel anyone you can choose. I have planned to choose 1 by x, that means I want to cancel x, elimination method I want to consider. Okay, I want to cancel x, that means I want to cancel this 1 by x and 1 by x I want to cancel. Okay, so now how can I cancel? If this 2 I can eliminate, if this 2 I can remove from here, then 1 by x will stay here. See here, if this 2 is here, no, this 2 if I can remove, 1 by x will stay here, this 3 I can remove, then 1 by x will stay here, then easily I can cancel, isn't it? So what I plan to do is that I multiply this full equation with 2. If I multiply this full equation with 2, then you see, if I multiply this full equation with 2, students, so all the terms will be multiplied with 2. So 1 by 2x is there, isn't it? If it is multiplied with 2, then this 2 and 2 will be cancellation, no? Understood? If this full equation is multiplied by 2, then this 2 and 2 will be cancellation. If I multiply here with 2, this 2, then this 2 and 2 will be cancellation, isn't it? So therefore I multiplied by 2. Okay. So this 2 and 2 will be cancellation. So what will remain? 1 by x, and here 1 is there, below 3 is there. So 2 into 1 will be 2. So 2 by 3, and this 2 is multiplied with 2. This 2 is multiplied with 2, so it will become 4. Same here below. Below I saw that here 3 is there. If I want to cancel this 3, if I want to cancel this 3, then I have to multiply by 3. 3 and 3 will be cancellation. So equation 2 I multiplied by 3. So this 3 and 3 will go cancellation. 1 by x will stay and 3 by 2y, and 13 by 6 is there. 3 into 13 by 6. With this 3 you cancel 6 2 times. So what will remain? 13 by 2. Now you can easily, you see, now you can, this is just the same sum, okay. Number 1 has been done by the reducing method, okay. Now just I am showing you without reducing. This is far easier actually. So 3 minus 4 you do. 3 minus 4 you do like this. Now you see 1 by x plus 2 by 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here also 1 by x plus 3 by 2y minus 13 by 2 is equal to 0. So signs you change, minus sign, here plus sign. 1 by x cancel. So 2 by 3y minus 3 by 2y plus 13 by 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. So what I will do is that, students, I will take LCM. 3y and 2y LCM will be what? 6y. 3y will go. 3y will go how many times here? 3y will go 2 times. So 2 2s are 4, isn't it? This 3y will go 2 times. 2 2s are 4, and 2y will go 3 times. 3 3s are 9. And here below 1 is there. 2 LCM. 13 minus 8. So now 4 minus 9 is minus 5 by 6y. 5 by 2 is equal to 0. Minus 5 by 6y is equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus minus cancel. 5 cancel. So 6y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 by 6. Y is equal to 1 by 6. Now putting the value of y in 1. So 1 by 2x. 3 into 1 by 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 and 3 is cancelled. So 1 by 2x. Here 1 is there. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 by 2x is equal to 1. So 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. See, same answer. The far shorter and easier way. So what I did is, students, so what I want to say is that in the exam, most probably if you have for your board exams I am talking about, it will not be written that reduce and solve. Only it will be given this kind of sums. Several times we have seen, only it is given that we have to solve it. Okay. So reducing takes a lot of time, and lot of equation numbering you have to do. But if it is impossible that you cannot do only without reducing, then you have to reduce only. But this sum can be done without reducing also. Here 2 is there. I just said you that I want to remove this 2 and I want to remove this 3, then I will get 1 by x and 1 by x in both the equations. I can easily solve, just like we do in normally. Okay. So what I did is that with this equation I multiplied by 2. So this 2 if I multiply, then this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So 1 by x will stay here. 2 by 3y and 2 2s are 4. Here this equation I multiplied by 3. So with 3 if I multiply, 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 3 by 2y and 13 by 6. 3 into 13 by 6. 13 by 2. Okay, marking number 4. Now this 3 and 4 I will subtract. I will subtract 3 and 4. 3 and 4 if I subtract, then this equation minus this equation. So see here, plus sign is there, put minus, plus sign is there, put minus, minus sign is there, put plus. 1 by x and 1 by x is cancelled, isn't it? So now you see 2 by 3y minus 3 by 2y and 13 by 2 minus 4. So just I took LCM and I found the value of y. The value of y I just put in equation 1. In equation 1 I am just putting the value of y I am just putting in equation 1. You see 1 by 2x plus, here 1 by 3y is there, no? What is the value of y, students? 1 by 3. In place of y I just put 1 by 3. 3 and 3 is cancelled. So 1 will stay here. This 3 and 3 is cancelled. So 1 by 1 means what? 3 and 3 cancel, isn't it? So 1 by 1 is 1. 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 will be to the right hand side plus 1. So now cross multiply. 2x into 1 will be 2x. So 2x is equal to 1. So 2 you cross multiply, x is equal to 1 by 2. So same answer you are getting. Therefore the solution is x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay.